Hello, I'm Robert Nelson, and I want to thank you for registering for this opportunity for a scholarship to the Break Free Academy. You'll receive an email with instructions on exactly what to do next. Be sure to check your spam and junk mail folders as well. Now, the process is actually pretty simple. If you're a high school student in the North Texas region, you can apply for a $5,000 scholarship to the Break Free Academy. And here's how you do it. Simply record a quick 2-minute video telling us about yourself and your business idea. Also, tell us why you think you should receive this scholarship. Then, email a link to your video to apply@bfascholarship.com. That's apply@bfascholarship.com. And be sure to include in this email a link to your social media profile as well. Now, if you're wondering why you should apply for a scholarship to the Break Free Academy, here's why. The Break Free Academy has helped thousands of entrepreneurs achieve amazing success with their businesses. And we can teach you how you can quickly and easily model the processes that they used so that you can achieve success with your business. You see, the way business is done in today's marketplace has dramatically changed. And we can show you how to get up to speed and keep up to speed with those changes. When you enroll in the Break Free Academy, you become a part of a powerful influencer network of business professionals, and you will discover how to leverage the power of social media and digital marketing so that you can launch, grow, and scale your business. But don't hesitate, because there are only a limited number of scholarships available. And once all the slots have been filled, this opportunity will no longer be available. So apply today. And as an added bonus, I'm going to give you immediate access to a free training conducted by Ryan Stewman himself, the founder of the Break Free Academy, that will teach you more about what the Break Free Academy is and what it does. So click the link below and respond today, and we look forward to helping you achieve amazing success with your business. Thank you.